We're just going to show quickly how to disconnect a fan in a Uniview NVR301-04P4. So this is the unit here. You have screws on the side and on the back. We're just going to take those off. So you have two screws on the back, and you have one on each side near the front right here. And the last one is right here on the other side. Okay, now to take the cover off, you're just going to push the top cover back, and then it should just gently slide up. Now, as for the fan, let me turn the unit around so you can see it. So if you're looking at the front of the unit, the fan is going to be on the right side. You can see it right here. Now what you want to do is follow these wires from the fan, and they go all the way across the back of the board to the other side right here. I'm going to show you how to disconnect the fan. Now, as long as you only have one hard drive unit in here, the manufacturer does say it's safe to remove the fan. So I'll show you how to remove the fan. You can gently grab the connection here for the fan, or you can use a small eyeglasses screwdriver to provide some assistance, and you just wiggle it out. That's it. It should just pop out like that. Now you can see it's not disconnected there, or sorry, it is disconnected, and it goes in that way. And that's pretty much it. To put the cover back on, it's very simple. Face the front of the NVR towards you. The lip on the front goes towards you. You're just going to place that over so it's fairly close to the front like that, and then you just slide it forward like so. And then you're going to put your 4 screws back on, and that's about it.